Who says we couldn't have fun tonight? We don't need a stupid club to have fun.
No, this is the best party ever because it's free. No taxi fees, no cover charge, no loud music blasting in your ears, or rough hands grabbing at you while you dance, or hot tequila lips pressed against your neck, and maybe we should go out.
No! We're broke, remember?
That's right! Broke! Broke. Too broke for pizza?
Your face is familiar.
Possible you've seen it in the newspapers or magazines, Vanity Fair.
Oh, that must be it.
Do you mind moving just a little? You're blocking my view.
Of what?
They run up a flag on my yacht when it's time for cocktails.
You own a yacht? Well, who runs up that flag? Your wife?
No, my flag steward.
Well, who mixes the cocktails? Your wife?
No, my cocktail steward. Look, if you are interested in whether I am married or not...
Oh, I'm not interested at all.
Fooled you, huh? Instagram hashtag fake gun, hashtag movie. I don't personally know editing software well enough to add muzzle flash, blood splatter, and sound effects. We're Americans after all, and everyone thinks guns look awesome. Or so the stereotype goes. Anyway, eventually I realized we're talking about fiction here. What I just did didn't happen in real life. Well, not on the level you thought it did anyway. I'm not actually suicidal. I'm not one of my characters. That said, I pumped all my self-hatred into darkness. Culture is very important.
Let's say you see a person of color doing something that makes you question whether or not you should call the cops. Before you start dialing, put on bias blockers. And ask yourself if you'd call the cops now. Each set of glasses has a special layer of ultra-racial protectant that acts to confuse the biases and implicit racism that afflicts the white brain, so that you can see the people you are about to accuse of committing an actual crime are no different than you. Try on bias blockers and eliminate your MAGA fears. Also works with gays, immigrants, and most women.